Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google TV, and in this video I will show you how to update your Google browser for Android TV app or in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your Google TV settings, click on OK. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to apps. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you look for your Google Play Store. Go ahead and click on Play Store, and the next thing you want to do is to click on Open right here. And then on getting here, next thing you want to do is to make use of search from the top right here, and then come to the search app right here. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and type in Google right here. So once you search for Google, you will definitely see your Google app right here. So click on search. Then you have Google app for Android, which has been pre-installed on your Google Smart TV. Go ahead and hit on OK, and you are here. Finally, you are in a Google browser update section. Go ahead and hit on update. So allow the update to run completely, and with that, you can start using your, so just like what you see right here, 100% update completely. And with that, you can start using your Google browser on your Smart TV. Just like what you see right here, installing update for Google app for Android TV. It's that simple. So you are fully up to date. So for more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.